Hello everyone, hope you're fine. In my today's this video, I will show you how you can fix the heating problem in your device Oppo A37. So if in this device, if you are having any problem related to the heat, like your device heats up while using or the temperature increases, you can easily fix it by following the few steps as I will show you in this video. Before we jump into it, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch complete video and you will learn how you can fix it. Let's watch the video.